My name is Amy Venable. I'm a general manager with Rent-A-Center, and I'm on my way to become an AWS Cloud DevOps Engineer. So my name is Amy. I'm currently a general manager for a reputable renter-owned company, Rent-A-Center, and I manage operations, staff, sales, collections, and a whole host of other things. I've always been curious about tech, always been interested in cybersecurity, computers, so forth. So I started making inquiries on how I can jump into the industry. I went and obtained a fancy cybersecurity degree, and it just wasn't taking me on the track that I thought it would with the education that I had. I had no experience prior, and I didn't have a real direction. So I was doing some research and I came across a advertisement for Yellowtail Linux. And one thing that resonated with me is the focus on a particular system, a particular process. What will we be learning and how those applications will be applied in an end result title. So I decided to come on with Yellowtail. Transitioning into the tech world from having such a long background in sales and retail management is difficult, to say the least. I know I've been on the certification journey, the have to have so many years of experience with tech before you even get an entry level position. So with Yellowtail, once I started studies, I saw how focused the program was on helping me get the experience, building confidence, and just having a full understanding of what path I wanted to go on. Of course, with everything, working, home life, and studies, it's going to be challenging. So balancing all three of those have been somewhat difficult, but it's very, very important to actually take the time and devote it to transitioning, because I want to be successful. I want to gain that the monies that I feel like I deserve for the education that I've acquired and for the experience that I'm about to jump into. So some advice I can give to anyone who feels like they're stuck: do not hesitate. Take the leap, be purposeful, be inquisitive, be brave. Just do not be complacent. That's the one thing I can say, because a lot of times we get stuck in the regular routine of going to work and making sure we do the job, but a lot of times it's not fulfilling. So pursue anything that's going to be fulfilling to you at the end of the day.